Spirits cry, spirits yearn, lessons learned, and them tables turn. Dust to ashes, bridges get burned. Climbing up where we've burned out. Lord, we thank you for them stitched up parts, for a single stitch of our hearts, for every blessing in the mix. From the gutter to the heights, grant us the power to keep us lit. Born from the churches where the dirt's clean back thick, folks plotting schemes, moving bricks, hearts full of heaviness, chest feeling tight, in the dead of the night, feeling it drop off. Hearing whispers from the shadows, trying to take out that better officer's lane. They dressed in smiles, their fame sink deep within, words like honey but they're poison up everything. Felt in the chains, invisible to most, cold as a frost, game rigged, counting every single high cost. Truth unfolds, shadows creeping, spirits wake, never asleep, steady climbing the mountains, steep it in my soul, keep the waters digging deep, for the Lord is what remains, through them heart works the same, through the fire night, through the fire and the chains, hope ignites, in the storms full of pain, in the storms full of pain, yearning for peace to break them chains, and told me they love me, but stayed in their own lane. My soul's like a freight train, it can't be contained. The ghost in the system trying to hack up that hope from my whole heart, with their whole smoke screens trying to tear my whole heart apart. But I'm seeing through the cracks of disguise, all of the lies that they tried to hide behind. Selling you a dream of hope, a dream of love that pays the cost. I couldn't sleep, I couldn't dream, prayed on my knees, it hit harder than the words heard. Begged for that shield, coming from the weight of the hurt here. Burned up by the lies, we stand up tall, bruised in battle, we take the tide. Hollow voices, wicked plans rise above them, sinking in the sand. We're thanking the Lord for every single breath that He kept of us, while they tried to take us all off our way. Our own way, their own way. Spirits rise, fade, we'll forget it, but we'll fight for its right. Demonic whispers inside their own hearts.